Hello, yo, how you doing? It's been a while. Yes, I know. All right, how's the quarantine treating you? Hope you're not bored out of your mind. I know I am, right? The quarantine has been tough on most, but I'm not to worry. Just hang in there. This whole thing will pass out in no time. All right, so I thought I'd do a quick video because I've been getting a lot of messages from people asking me on how they can treat lice or how they can prevent lice from getting into their logs. Okay, so I thought it would be great to do this video and show you how you can keep your hair and that of your family from getting the lice. All right, and if you already have lice, I already advise you watch my video on how you can get rid of lice and sneeze completely. Okay, so this video is just for how you can prevent lice from getting into your hair. Coconut oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, lemongrass oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil scents. This oil is popularly known to repel lice. Okay, so using coconut scented shampoo or conditioner will help with the defense. All right, and adding tea tree oil or any of the above oil will further help. Okay, or you can make your own lice repellent spray. You will need 10 ounce water, 1 ounce of coconut oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, and 10 drops of rosemary oil. Or you can also add peppermint oil or lemongrass oil for extra boost. Mix all in your spray bottle and spray. Right, while this oil is safe for everyday use, you must bear in mind that peppermint oil is dangerous for children below the age of 5. So if you're going to be using the spray on a child, I strongly advise you omit the peppermint oil. All right, so that's it. All right, that's just your easy lice repellent spray. Okay, so if there's any challenges you might be having with your hair or your locks this period, please leave a message on the comment section below and I'll see how I can be of help. Okay, so until my next video, stay safe, stay home. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Hang in there. Love you. Bye bye.